Welcome to the 52-week project Smartphone Photography Edition. I'm so happy that you're here and I'm really excited to share this journey with you because I'm sure that we're all going to learn a lot of exciting things about smartphone photography. This week's theme is your favorite photo. It's really simple, but it's a great way to introduce yourself to the other members and to show others what your interests are. So upload your first photograph, share a recent or old smartphone photo that you took that you're really proud of. Let us know why you enjoyed that shoot, what camera settings you use, what phone you use, and what your hopes and dreams are for the future as a photographer. Feel free to ask questions, reply to other people's comments, and make new friends. This is the perfect opportunity to build your network and to get to know everyone else who's joining this project. In the coming weeks, I will introduce you to different editing apps, camera apps that will help you improve your smartphone photography skills and that will give you full control over your settings. In the meantime, try to find a camera app that is manual. So if your original camera app doesn't give you full control over your settings, try downloading a free camera app. The one that I'm using is Manual Camera DSLR Lite. That is the free version of this app, and it gives me control over things like exposure and focus, and those are enough for now. So let's start by sharing our favorite photographs. Here are a few images that I recently took using my smartphone camera. I took them in different locations, and I really enjoyed the process and I learned a lot. So let's begin this journey together and grow and learn and improve together.